Hey guys, can you imagine that it was a mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches? Can you imagine that sound from that keyboard? Check this out. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev and we have another day and another great keyboard on my channel. And today I want to show you something nice from IROK brand. And this is a MG68PRO gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect magnetic switches, wired, with 8K pulling rate, with 0.125 millisecond latency, right, which is pretty quick, and with a nice handler and in a full aluminum CNC case. But let's review it step by step. First of all, what you will have as a kit for this keyboard, right? You will have a keyboard by itself, you will have a standard keycap and switch puller, you will have several spare switches, you will have user manual, standard USB cable, you will have a replacement for this handler. If you don't want to have it, you don't need it, you are not gonna to travel with this keyboard, you can remove this part and use this chevron, right, instead, and you will have a standard way or standard view of the keyboard on your desktop. From the layout point of view, we have a standard 65% layout, which is just great for everything, right? For gaming, you have an arrow key, you have a function, not F row, but function key on the right side, and everything else. You don't have F row, obviously. Take into account that this is a wired version of the keyboard. You have only USB port on the left side from the back side of the keyboard, and you have some angle built into the aluminum case, and you don't have any adjustable fits. From the keycaps point of view, we have double shot PVT keycaps, and they're a little bit unique because they're side printed, first of all, and second, they not only shine through around legends, which is on the side of the keycaps, but also we have this pattern, and this pattern is also shine through. So in general, it's pretty brightful keyboard, and this is in combination of 16 million colors with ARGB and with 500 Hz of refresh of this RGB, so in general it's pretty beautiful. Under the keycaps you have a magnetic switches, right, and brand is OKT. I don't know nothing about this brand, but apparently they are doing pretty nice and pretty good sounding magnetic switches, very close to the classical mechanical switches. So if you're looking at a keyboard with a perfect sound, this one is just a real great choice. And in combination with FR4 switch plate, not a metal one, FR4, you just heard the sound, and I will show you a full sound test at the end of the video. The sound of this keyboard is just amazing. Obviously, to support a side printed legends, we have a south facing RGB. Okay, now when you know everything about this keyboard, let's do a quick test run. First of all, let's double check 8K pulling rate, and as you can see on this keyboard inspector screenshot, we have this 8K. In comparison to my Key 2 Keychron, you can see it's 1K on this screenshot and 8K on this one, right? So you can see a difference, and that's why I can confirm that we have a 8K pulling rate, which means 0.125 millisecond delay. From the driver point of view, we have a web hub driver, right? You don't need to install anything, right? Any additional software, just plug and play. And we have a standard set of settings, but what is the most important, activation point and rapid trigger. Check this out. I did a test in Valorant game, two options. Option number one is default settings, and you can see the pattern on a wall a little bit longer than it could be. And the second option with rapid trigger switched on to the maximum, or rather to the minimum, you can see that pattern on the wall became a much shorter, which means you can stop, run, and your crosshair will stabilize immediately. Okay, now when we know that from the gaming performance point of view it's just a great choice, especially talking about a budget, much less than 100 bucks. It's not about 200 bucks and not about 250 like other keyboard in a such case, an aluminum case and form factor. This is less than 100 bucks, so it's a great choice. Let's switch to the sound test. Okay guys, you heard the sound test, and as I mentioned, because of this type of the switch with a closed bottom part and FR4 plate, which is pretty rare with mechanical keyboards and Hall effect switches, we have a great sound in general. And in overall, I want to say, after reviewing more than 100 different keyboards, I can compare, and this one is really nice build. The structure of the case is perfect. We have all this dampening form inside. It's aluminum, right? It's nice from the colors point of view, and you have several options: black and red and white version. Performance, sound, how it looks on your desktop. It's just one of really great choices on the market right now. So if you're looking for this type of the keyboard, check my links in the description, and if you really like it, give it a try.